I am head coach of the Lely College basketball team. I am here to address the recent rape charges against Chad Smith. After speaking with Chad Smith, I expect the charges to be dropped. And in regards to the rape charges against Chad, he will be still traveling with the team this weekend, but will not dress and will be forced to sit on the sidelines and keep chart of the game, since we are not able to trust him to be alone. This is not the first time that Chad has been in trouble since joining the team 2 years ago. As of now, Chad will have a 2 week suspension, and due to the reoccurrence of the problem, Chad will have no future with the team next year. The team has responded well to the current charges against Chad. They have continued to compete without him. I believe it is a major distraction to the team because they are now under a microscope from the press and by the school. We will be watched in everything we do from now on. Since this is not the first occurrence of rape charges for our team members this year, we will have a zero tolerance for rape on this team. All the players have had to sign contracts telling them that if they are accused of rape, they will no longer have a place on this team and will be released.